today we're gonna go over how to draw Venom's eyes and teeth. Okay, no tongue, but we're just gonna do eyes and teeth. Very, very simple, easy for beginners. Somebody requested this, and that's what we're gonna do. Okay, so let's go over this incredibly simple drawing. So we're gonna go through it step by step. So I'm gonna go here and pull up on one side, and an arcing back up here, kind of seesawing back in, pulling all the way up over there. Okay, now I'm gonna arc it back, up, down, line underneath here, and it's gonna kind of merge right there somewhere. This is not set in stone. You can kind of do whatever you want with it. I just kind of, did that with it. And now I'm just gonna try to mirror that shape. So it's gonna go up on this side, a little bit higher, in, up, down, up over here, down. Same exact kind of shape, right? But that's just one easy way to do it. There's many different ways. Go to the Venom playlist. I'm gonna put it in the top right-hand corner. Go to the Venom playlist after you see this video. There's tons of ways to draw Venom. Okay, go check that out. There's an entire playlist dedicated on many different ways to draw him. So I'm gonna go over here now, curve down, up. Over here on this side, curve down, up. And I'm gonna draw a zigzag here on the bottom. Go over here at the top. Well, over here on this side at least. Curve down, like a happy face. And zigzag up. Cool. I'm gonna go over here. Finding just kind of these bumps, which is literally the top of the, that's an easy way to do it, right? You're just finding the bumps, it's the top of the teeth. And I'm gonna try to loosely connect some of the teeth here. Obviously, they're not all gonna connect, but you can just try to, kind of loosely connect them. Down over here. This is the quickest way I know to get the effect of Venom's teeth. So I just want to kind of show you that effect. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bold everything just to kind of make it pop off the page. Don't forget, hit the subscribe and click the bell notification. Okay, we're trying to hit 200,000 subscribers by the end of the year. We have a new sticker. It's the Godzilla sticker. Go check that out. The Godzilla artist sticker. One over here. Bam, bam. And go check out sketchingeasy.com. That is the website, the official website, sketchingeasy.com. Go take a look. Kind of bolding stuff out, like I said. That includes the top row of his teeth over here. Say hi if you like Venom, by the way. Say hi if you really like this character, like right in the comments right now. I'm gonna go over here, just kind of bolding things out, really, like things I've already drawn. This is kind of what I think of as like the fun part, because it's just very simple. You're just putting stuff in. Okay, and there you go. That is Venom's face. That's the easiest way I know how to draw it. I tried to make it as simple and as fast as I could, okay? Thank you so much. Like I said, hit that like, share the video with somebody if you know someone that, needs the video or just wants or loves Venom. Talk to you later. I'll see you soon.